Hey, do you want to know how you can create a Payoneer account without a local bank account? If yes, keep watching this video with Aisha Khalid on Ash Knows. Basically, Payoneer is an American financial services company that facilitates online digital payments and online money transfers. Whenever you sign up on Payoneer, it asks you for your local bank details. But a few years back, Payoneer has also made it possible to sign up on this platform without you having to provide your local bank details. So yes, it's good if you have a local bank account while signing up on Payoneer, but it's not necessary. You can create a Payoneer account without a bank account using marketplaces or online companies that support Payoneer withdrawal option. These places include Fiverr, Upwork, Evento, Airbnb, and many others. The only drawback to signing up on Payoneer without a local bank account is that you will not be able to get $25 bonus on sign up. Yes, Payoneer provides $25 as a bonus when you sign up on this platform through the conventional method. If you want to sign up on Payoneer through conventional method, you may follow the link that I have provided in the description. In this way, you will be able to get $25 bonus as well. But if you want to sign up on Payoneer without bank account, follow these steps. Step 1. Sign up on Fiverr. Step 2. Go to the earnings section on Fiverr dashboard. Step 3. Click on the bank transfer option. Step 4. Fiverr will ask you for phone verification to make sure that an authorized source is requesting the payment. You can verify your identity on phone by SMS or call. Choose your desired method and complete the verification process. Step 5. Once the verification process is over, Fiverr will send you an email at your email address. When you open this email, you will find a click here link. Click this link. Step 6. When you click the provided link, Fiverr will send you to the Payoneer registration page. Step 7. Complete the registration process by entering all the required details. Here, you will not have to add your bank account details because you are signing up through another method. So the final step is when you fill up all the details, Payoneer will show you a message that you have successfully signed up on Payoneer without any bank account. So that's how easy and how simple it is. If you want to read in detail about this topic, or if you have missed any step, you may read it on my blog ashknows.com. Hope you liked the video. If yes, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the ring button. I'll be back with more videos. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.